In the past few months, we've all noticed the high spikes of motivational videos on the internet. But if you are just going to make the normal motivational videos like this one, for example, you will probably not get any views. Even if you do get views, you will not be monetized. Recently, I've seen a significant trend where creators blend anime clips with AI voiceovers to convey motivational life lessons. Given that anime is among the most widely viewed genres globally and often carries motivational and philosophical themes, this mix is quite effective. However, utilizing copyrighted anime poses risks. But do not worry, I have a solution for everything in this video. I'll guide you through creating your own AI-generated anime shorts, and in the end, I will show you how you can generate YouTube Shorts with a single click. So, stay tuned. First, we are going to generate scripts. Then, we are going to create the voiceover using AI. After that, we will generate the anime clips and edit everything together. Finally, I will show you a great tool to generate YouTube Shorts with a single click. So stay tuned. Now, first things first, we are going to generate the script. To do that, we are going to use ChatGPT. Go ahead and copy-paste this prompt that you will find in the description. As you can see, this prompt instructs ChatGPT to make quotes based on Stoic principles. It's always important to instruct ChatGPT to use modern and simple words. After that, ChatGPT will generate 5 different scripts that you can use in the video. Now choose one of the scripts. Then, go to 11 Labs so we can generate the voice. Go ahead and click here. Then click on the voice library. Feel free to test these voices, then choose what you like best. And paste the script. Then, click on Generate. After it's done generating, click on the download icon. Now, let's move to the next step. Now we are going to generate the anime clips. To do that, we are going to use Pika. So go to this website. I've already generated a lot of videos, so I made the perfect prompt for you to use. Go to this box and start with the subject of the video. After that, describe the scenery. Lastly, describe the style of the video. In this case, we are looking for anime videos, so add Ghibli style anime, then add hand-drawn to make it better. Next, click on this icon right here and make sure the 16:9 aspect ratio is selected. Then click here. After that, add some negative prompts. Make sure to use the same settings as me here. Then click on Generate. We got this video right here. If you want to regenerate new videos, change the seed number, then click Generate again until you find the perfect video for you. Now let's add everything together into one video. For this, we are going to need editing software. We are going to use Bull Video. You will find the link down in the description. First, go ahead and log in with your Google account. Once you are on the dashboard, select the Start from Scratch option so you can edit the video from scratch. Next, drag and drop everything we generated into this video. Also, make sure to use non-copyrighted music in your video. You can find them on YouTube for free. Now, drag and drop the voiceover and music onto the timeline, and put the voiceover on top of the music. Then go ahead and decrease the music volume so it doesn't cover the voiceover. Next, drag and drop the first anime clip. Then resize it to fit the entire screen. After that, add the second one. Then resize it to fit the screen. This looks great so far. Drag and drop the third scene. Then resize it just like you did for the other ones, and do the same for all the remaining scenes. Now let's see how the video looks. Perfect. Now just export the video to your device and then upload it to whatever platform you like. Now let me show you a bonus way to generate other types of videos using the same AI tool. First, go back to the home page, then select the Idea to Video feature. In this box, you can add what your video is about. I'm going to generate a video in the health niche, for example. Here, you can change all the different settings like ratio and language. When done, click on Generate. And that's it. The AI tool will generate full videos for you. You can also edit every scene from here. For example, I'm going to change something in this first scene. As you can see, it changes in the video. You can also click on this icon to change the voice. You have a lot of different voices to choose from. And from here, you can change the B-roll. You can choose from this library. You can also translate the video to any language by clicking here. When you are done, click on Export, then choose the quality and click on Export again. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, click on the subscribe button and watch the next video if you're interested. See you in the next one.